Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about past tenses. The past simple is used to talk about an action that happened in the past and ended in the past. Yesterday, I finished my homework. It has its own time indicators like last night, last week, yesterday, ago. I was so sick 3 days ago. We add ed to regular verbs. Watch, watched. Irregular verbs like see, saw. Break, broke. They must be learned by heart. We use did in negative and interrogative forms of the past simple. Did you go to school yesterday? No, I didn't. I didn't wake up. Remember that when do, does, don't, doesn't, did, didn't occur in a sentence, the verb that follows is always at the infinitive. Now the past continuous. It's used to describe a long action that occurred in the past. What were you doing from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock last night? I was sleeping. It is often combined with the past simple. The builders were mixing concrete when the architect came. To express a past habit, we use used to plus infinitive. I used to have lunch at school when I was in high school. Now the present perfect. I have been sick for 2 days. She hasn't called me yet. These sentences are conjugated in the present perfect. We use it to express results in the present of an action that started in the past. Have or has plus past participle. We add ed to regular verbs in order to form the past participle. Irregular verbs must be learned by heart. For example, see, seen, break, broken. The present perfect is often employed with adverbs like already. I have already finished my job. Ever. Have I ever known this? Yet. She hasn't called yet. It is also employed with for. I have lived here for 3 weeks. And since. They have worked here since 1993. The present perfect is used to talk about an action that started in the past and continues in the present. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!